Strong mobile signal is an essential part of our day-to-day lives. Does your business suffer from bad mobile signal? Often, poor mobile signal can negatively affect all types of companies. It can lead to dropped calls with clients, missed opportunities, and a whole lot of frustration. Hotels are also known to suffer from bad mobile signal. Guests complain, conferences are interrupted, and repeat business suffers. From offices to hotels and even hospitals, Mobile Signal Solutions design and install a system tailored to your company. It starts with a survey. Our team assesses your situation thoroughly before suggesting the optimal course of action. Our installations are fast and effective, using the most experienced engineers in the industry. After installation, you can expect to see a 99% improvement in your internal signal levels, with no monthly maintenance fees. Mobile Signal Solutions have worked with all types of businesses, from blue-chip multinationals to pod rental offices, helping prevent loss of business. Hotels are judged on their customer experience. Good mobile signal means improved customer retention and happy guests. Mobile Signal Solutions considers no job too small or too large. Our staff are adaptable and always quick to come up with a solution. If your business is suffering from dropped calls or poor data connection, contact us today to arrange a signal strength survey. It is our job to bring you back to full strength.